Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts. Today we're going to be making a Mother's Day gift box. I'm going to be using this clear cake box. And I'm also going to be using this purse. I'm going to use this hand sanitizer. And I'm going to use a smartwatch. And I have some Bodycology Fresh Clementine. So let's get started. I'm going to start by adding the smartwatch, and it is an orange smartwatch. It'll match with the purse. I'm going to place the smartwatch here. And I'm going to angle this more towards me so I can make sure I have it centered. Add some tape to the bottom of the smartwatch. And I'm going to place the smartwatch. Once again, make sure I got it in the right spot. And then next, I'm going to add the purse. I'm going to place the purse on top of the smartwatch. And I'm going to put it slightly back so you can be able to see the watch. And I'm also going to place a balloon stick behind the purse to hold it up and keep it in place. Just have to make sure I got the right measurement. And I'm going to poke a hole and glue it in place. And I'll let that dry. I'm going to place the purse back on top. And then I'm going to tape the purse to the back of the balloon stick. And that should keep that in place. Put a little bit of tape on the sides of the purse. Or actually, let me just put, maybe I'll place a glue dot on the side of the purse. Let's see. And I'll place some on the other side. And then next I'm going to take and add the Fresh Clementine Bodycology. I'm going to add the body cream first. And I'm just going to place it off to the side. Get this a better angle so you can see it. I'm going to place it off to the side so you can kind of see it. And then I'm going to take this box that I made because I want to put the body wash on a riser. Since everything seems to be hidden behind the purse. So I'm just going to raise that up slightly by sitting it on the box. And then next I'm going to take and add the loofah. And I'm going to put the loofah on the opposite side. And once again, I have to tape all this down. I'm just sitting it in place so I can know I have a good setup. And you can see the loofah on the side there. And I think that's a pretty good setup. You really can't see this body wash, but if you're in front of the gift box, you can actually see it. So I'm just going to tape everything down, or actually glue everything down. I have it against the purse a little bit because I might have to use it slightly to hold the purse. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to glue the box down. And then I'm going to take and glue down the Fresh Clementine. There we go. And then I'm also going to take some tape and tape the Fresh Clementine down because it's up so high, it's going to be rocking on the base. And you won't be able to see any of this extra security that I'm placing on here. See if I can get a piece in between here. I should have did that part first, but sometimes you just don't know. See if we can get this to go down like I want it to. So far, so good. There we go. So I put an extra piece for security in the front and an extra piece for the back so it doesn't really go anywhere. And then I'm going to put some tape in to hold down the loofah. keep it in place. Let's see. One more piece of it. Might decide it wants to take a little leave from the space that I put it in. There we go. And then next I'm going to add the hand sanitizer. I'm just going to place the hand sanitizer towards the back so it's backwards. So when you look at the gift, you can see the back of it since it's in the clear box. Okay, and then I'm going to add a rose. I have some orange roses. And let's see how we can do the roses. Kind of just want to put it kitty corner. Straighten this up a little bit. And there we have our orange Mother's Day gift box. And I'm going to make the box. It's a large clear box. And it's covered with a plastic film that I need to take off. Okay, so now I've created the plastic cake box, and I'm just going to place it over the gift. There we go. And then next I'm going to put the lid on it. Let's see. And then I'm going to add a ribbon. I'm going to add a white ribbon. And I'm going to pause this for a second while I get the ribbon. And there you have the Cake Box Mother's Day Orange Gift Basket. And I'm going to tip this up a little bit so you can see the bow. There's the bow. And I'm going to make it short so you can kind of see the whole thing all together. And I'm going to turn it around so you can see the back. Here's the back. I'm working with limited space here because I'm combining Easter and Mother's Day together, so I don't have too much space. Once again, thanks for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Please continue to watch as I continue to make these Mother's Day gift baskets and also the Easter gift baskets or Easter baskets.